Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find t value. Solution: t plus 9 equal to t. Now we are going to take a square on both sides. So t plus 9 whole square in left hand side. Same way t square in right hand side. Now we are going to apply this formula, algebra formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get t square plus 2 times of a here is t times b 9 plus 9 square equal to t square, this one. Now t square plus 2 times 9 is 18t plus 9 square is 81 equal to t square. Now t square plus 18t plus 81 minus t square equal to 0. We moved this t square left hand side, so it is minus t square. Now this t square and this t square cancel each other. Now we have 18t plus 81 equal to 0. Now we are moving this right hand side 81. So 18t equal to minus 81 . 81 by 18. Here it is 9 times. Here it is 2 times. Now t equal to minus 9 by this 2. This is the t value. Now we are going to apply this t value in given equation. So verify the equation t plus 9 equal to t. Now a t value here is t equal to minus 9 by 2. Applying this here, so t plus 9 equal to t. Applying t here, so we'll get minus 9 by 2 plus 9 equal to minus 9 by 2. Now do cross multiply here, so we'll get minus 9 plus 18 by 2 equal to minus 9 by 2. Now here minus 9 plus 18 is 9. Here it is 2 equal to minus 9 by 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS since it is negative here. So t is not equal to minus 9 by 2. Hence is rejected. T is not equal to minus 9 by 2. Thanks for watching this video.